Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night and felt that strange tingling in your hands? Not pain exactly, not weakness either, just that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation, like tiny ants crawling under your skin. And maybe you told yourself, it's just aging. I'm over 60 now. This is normal. But what if I told you, it's not always just aging? What if your body has been trying to send you a message? Today, I want to tell you a story about someone just like you. And before this video ends, you'll understand why nerve signals start misfiring after 60. What tingling, burning, or numbness really means. And the one vitamin. Many seniors are quietly deficient in a vitamin that may support nerve repair and restore sensation. Let's begin. The night. Everything changed. Margaret was 67 years old, a retired school teacher, kind, organized, always the one who remembered birthdays. One night, around 2:17 a.m., she woke up suddenly. Her right hand felt numb. She tried to move her fingers. They moved, but they didn't feel like they belonged to her. A strange buzzing sensation, like static electricity under the skin. She shook her hand, rubbed it, sat up in bed. It must be how I slept, she whispered to herself. But the next night, it happened again, and then it started in her feet. A burning feeling, especially at night. She stopped telling her husband about it, because every time she mentioned it, someone said, "That's normal after 60. It's just circulation. Everyone gets that." So she accepted it, or at least, she tried to. When normal aging doesn't feel normal. Over the next few months, Margaret noticed small changes. She dropped a glass one morning. Her fingers just didn't grip properly. She felt off balance walking downstairs. Sometimes when she buttoned her shirt, she couldn't fully feel the buttons. That's when fear crept in. Not loud fear, quiet fear. The kind that whispers at night. What if this gets worse? What if I lose my independence? For many people over 60, nerve symptoms begin quietly. Numbness, tingling, burning sensations, cold or hot feelings in hands and feet, weak grip strength, sensitivity to touch, and too often, they are dismissed. But here's the truth. Nerve cells don't simply age out overnight. Something usually triggers the problem. And one of the most overlooked triggers is vitamin deficiency. What's really happening inside your nerves? Let's talk simply. Your nerves are like electrical wires. They send messages from your brain to your hands, feet, and muscles. To work properly, nerves need healthy insulation, strong signal transmission, proper nutrient support. That insulation is called the myelin sheath. When myelin becomes damaged or thin, signals misfire. That's when you feel pins and needles, electric shock sensations, burning pain, numb patches. After 60, several things happen. Stomach acid decreases. Nutrient absorption becomes weaker. Certain medications interfere with vitamin uptake. Chronic conditions like diabetes may damage nerves, and one vitamin plays a critical role in maintaining nerve health. Without it, nerves struggle to repair. The vitamin many seniors are quietly deficient. In that vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for myelin sheath maintenance, red blood cell formation, DNA production, nerve signal transmission. But here's the part many people don't know. After 60, up to 20% of adults may have low B12 levels, and the body doesn't absorb it as easily as it used to. You can eat well, you can take care of yourself, and still be deficient. Margaret had no idea. She ate balanced meals. She walked daily. She wasn't unhealthy, but inside her body, something was missing. The doctor who finally listened. After months of ignoring it, Margaret scheduled an appointment. Her doctor listened carefully, not rushed, not dismissive. He asked detailed questions. When did it start? Is it worse at night? Any balance issues? Any memory fog? Any fatigue? Then he ordered simple blood work. A week later, she returned. Her B12 levels were low, not dangerously low, but low enough to affect nerves. Her doctor explained, when B12 is insufficient, nerves cannot maintain their protective covering. Over time, signals weaken or misfire. The good news is, if caught early, this can improve. Margaret felt something she hadn't felt in months. Relief. Not because everything was solved, but because she finally had an answer. Why B12 drops after 60? Here's why this happens so often. 1. Reduced stomach acid. B12 requires stomach acid to separate it from food. After 60, acid production decreases. 2. Certain medications. Long-term use of acid reducers or diabetes medications can lower absorption. 3. Digestive changes. Conditions affecting the stomach or intestines reduce uptake. 4. Limited animal-based foods. B12 is mostly found in meat, fish, eggs, dairy. If intake is low, deficiency risk increases, and symptoms don't appear overnight. They creep in slowly. That's why so many seniors say, I didn't realize how bad it had gotten. 7. The first 2 weeks, Margaret began supplementing under her doctor's guidance. The first week, not much changed, but around day 10 she noticed something small. Her hands felt warmer. The intense nighttime burning reduced. By week 2, tingling episodes became shorter. Grip strength improved slightly. She felt more stable walking. Now let's be clear. Not everyone sees dramatic results in exactly 2 weeks, but many people begin noticing early improvements once deficiency is corrected. Nerves can repair, especially when damage is nutritional, not permanent structural injury, and that's powerful. Signs you should not ignore. If you are over 60, pay attention to persistent numbness in hands or feet, burning sensation at night, difficulty with fine motor skills, balance issues, unexplained fatigue, memory fog. These can have multiple causes, but vitamin deficiency is one of the most overlooked. And here's something important. Early correction prevents progression. Waiting makes recovery slower. The emotional side of nerve symptoms. Let's talk about something rarely discussed. Loss of sensation doesn't just affect your body, it affects your confidence. Margaret told her husband one night, I'm scared I won't be able to hold our granddaughter safely. That fear broke her. Independence matters deeply after 60. The ability to walk steadily, button your shirt, hold a cup, write your name. These are not small things. They are dignity. When nerve issues threaten that, it feels personal. And that's why addressing the root cause matters so much. Practical steps to protect your nerves. If you suspect nerve symptoms, request blood work, including B12 levels. Discuss medications that may affect absorption. Ensure adequate intake of B12-rich foods. Consider supplementation under medical supervision. Address blood sugar if diabetic. Maintain gentle physical activity to stimulate circulation. Never self-diagnose severe symptoms. But never ignore them either. Your body deserves investigation. Not all nerve damage reverses completely, but nutritional nerve stress is often manageable. The earlier you act, the better your chances. Margaret now keeps a small journal. Every week she writes, sensation level, balance, energy, sleep quality. And she smiles more often now, because the fear is gone. She understands her body again. Closing message. If you are over 60 and feeling numbness, tingling, or burning, Please don't dismiss it as just aging. Sometimes your body is simply asking for support. A simple blood test could change everything, and one small vitamin might make a big difference. Your nerves carry every movement, every hug, every step. Take care of them, because aging is natural. But silent deficiencies don't have to steal your quality of life.